Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use gliders in Bloxburg. Gliders are a fantastic way to traverse your Bloxburg world quickly and efficiently. To begin, ensure you have enough in-game money, as gliders are a purchasable item. You'll find them available in the game store, ready for you to acquire and add to your inventory. Once you have the funds, navigate to the Build Mode menu within Bloxburg. Here, you can browse and select the glider from your available inventory items. After selecting it, simply place the glider into one of your character's inventory slots. This makes it easily accessible for when you're ready to take flight. To activate your glider, press the designated key, which is typically Shift plus P on your keyboard if you are in a neighborhood you own or co-own. Once airborne, use your standard movement keys to control your flight direction and altitude. Remember to reduce your altitude gradually when you're ready to land, ensuring a smooth and safe descent back to the ground. Mastering your glider takes a little practice, so don't be afraid to experiment in open areas. They are perfect for exploring those tricky, high-up spots you couldn't reach before. Remember, a smooth landing is key to avoiding any in-game bumps. And speaking of making things easy, if you're looking for ways to simplify your daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy flying!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.